What if we've been focusing on the wrong thing all these years? On counting calories, on sheer willpower? What if there's a hardwired switch inside of us that turns off hunger and activates fat burning? Science suggests this switch truly exists. Let's get straight to the evidence. In a pivotal study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers gave two groups the same amount of calories. The only change? One group increased its protein share from 15% to 30%. The result was astounding. Without even trying, the protein group spontaneously ate 441 fewer calories per day. On average, this led to a weight loss of almost 5 kilograms of pure fat mass in just 12 weeks. Why does this happen? The answer lies in the protein leverage hypothesis. Our brain has a fixed, non-negotiable target for protein. It's a survival mechanism. In our modern world, filled with highly processed, low-protein foods, this becomes a trap. Our brain drives our appetite until this target is met. So, we unconsciously eat far too many fats and carbohydrates just to satisfy our protein requirement. When we consume enough protein, we activate a powerful internal communication system. But this powerful lever must be used wisely. Just how crucial the right amount is in a personal context for our aging process and why too much of it can have the opposite effect is something we've analyzed in detail in a previous video. When it comes to appetite control, our gut releases satiety hormones like GLP-1 and PYY, which signal stop to the brain. Simultaneously, specialized neurons in our brain directly detect the presence of key amino acids like leucine. It's a dual confirmation that shuts down appetite on a biological level. So here we are at a crucial point. Research points to a specific threshold at which our brain signals satiety. This threshold is around 1.3 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of our body weight. This isn't just a recommendation, it's the target at which our internal hunger switch gets flipped. But there is an important variable we must consider: intense exercise. Exercise temporarily increases our protein requirement. If we don't meet this increased need after a workout, our appetite can spiral out of control. This explains why some of us don't lose weight despite exercising more. We unconsciously fall into the trap of compensatory overeating. So let's summarize our shared plan. First, calculate your target of 1.3 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. Second, consume a significant portion of it in the morning to regulate your appetite for the day. And third, after intense exercise, adjust your intake and add an extra 30 to 50 grams of protein. Let's imagine a new reality, one where we no longer fight against our bodies but work with them, where our appetite is no longer an enemy but a signal that we understand and intelligently control. That is the power we gain when we understand our own biology and make it our strongest ally. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.